Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm a nurse with the Providence ALS Center, and I'm going to show you how to use the Cough Assist machine for cough assist mode as well as breath stacking mode. And we have Eric here that's going to assist me. For cough assist mode, your machine will typically already be in that function. So what you do is you have the mask and you put it up against your mouth, making a really nice seal over your mouth and your nose. And then you just push therapy and it will run through it for you. And it will blow really hard and then suck out really hard to simulate a cough. To switch into breath stacking mode, we go to settings, navigate down to the mode, and switch it to manual mode. For breath stacking, you just want to make sure that you keep it on the face, nice seal again. And instead of it automatically doing it for you, you're going to have to help it to know whether to either blow or suck out air. So you push therapy so that it knows to start, and then you push air in. So 1, 2, 3, and that's typically about how much people can hold in their lungs, and then let them exhale it out. And that is how you breath stack and use Cough Assist.